Beneath the gentle ripples of Lake Pignor lies a haunting secret. Once a thriving community, the town of Del Cambre, Louisiana, was swallowed whole by a bizarre drilling accident in 1980, creating a surreal underwater landscape. Surviving locals recount chilling tales of eerie whispers echoing through the waters, claiming the spirits of the drowned still roam the depths, murmuring secrets of their tragic fate. Fishermen report strange sounds emanating from below, unlike anything found in nature, as if the town itself is trying to communicate. Each revelation draws adventurers and paranormal enthusiasts alike deep into the lake, where shadows dance in the reflections and the whispers grow louder. What truths lie beneath the surface, waiting to be unveiled?